Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Calendly really quickly. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just gotten started with Calendly. And so be sure to stick around. This video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, once you first sign up for Calendly, I'm on a free plan right here, so just keep in mind that you won't need to upgrade unless you use certain integrations and such, but I'll be going over that soon. What you want to do first is create an event. So click on new event type, and then you can either create an event from one-on-one or maybe a group or collective or round robin. So we're going to do a one-on-one event, and then we're going to choose me as the host. And so from here, you would actually go ahead and name your event. So we'll just name it 1 meeting 2. You'll set the duration. So we'll set it to 45 minutes, and then you'll set the location of your event. We'll choose Google Meets for our meetings, and then click on continue. So from here, your event is technically ready, but there's some still other details which you can edit. You can edit the host and the invitees. You can edit the schedule settings. So scheduling settings is important because this will allow you how long your appointees can actually schedule events into the future. So maybe you want to only do it in a 7 rolling calendar period. Maybe you want to set the calendars or the hours that you're available from. So next you want to set the buffer time. So if there's no buffer time, that means that your events are going to happen one after the other. So let's say that you want to have a 15-minute break after every event. You would just do after event 15 minutes. Now, you can also set the amount of notice that is required, which is 4 hours, and then set the maximum events allowed per day. Also, you can also set up a time zone display and the start time increments. So here we're just going to click on save and close. Now, as far as other things you need to set up, once you've already set up your event, you do need to make sure that you have 2 things connected, which is 1, you need to make sure that you have some sort of calendar connected. On 2, you need to make sure that you have some sort of like meeting location connected. So on the left hand side, if you click on integrations and apps, you'll see that there's some meeting locations here such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams conferencing, and Google Meet. And then you also have some calendars such as like Google Calendar here as well. So just make sure that at least one calendar, the calendar that you use and a meeting location is connected. You would simply just click on the Google Calendar or Google Meet and then connect it to your application. So connecting your calendar is just going to allow it so there's no double bookings from your own Google Calendar and the Calendly calendar. And Google Meet is going to make it so that you have a location in which you and your appointee can actually meet on. So that right there is the quick and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up Calendly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.